Of what?
Hi out.
Hey,
The station
and just
is
for
in
fun,
There's
we're
actually a
at
tunnel.
the. Don't give me funny ears. We're at Subway, so we're heading to a Christian concert. We're gonna see Red. I don't think Red is probably gonna be there. Yes, it is. It's on the list. It gave you a program that said Red would be there. That's the only reason I'm here. All right. Well, she's here for Red. What's up? That's Rebecca. Right there in the white coat. And everyone else, so? You realize that everyone you just pointed your phone at was wearing a black coat, right? They're all iffy. So, if you just stuck it behind me and I saw it, I was like, I would laugh. I would have blocked it. She's taking a video. I don't know why. She's insane. Just for the fun of it.
Just for fun of it, okay.
Yeah. All right.